Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial component of your engine's performance, the crankshaft position sensor. We'll explore the symptoms of a faulty sensor, its potential causes, and some remedies to get your engine running smoothly again. So, let's get started. The crankshaft position sensor is responsible for monitoring the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft, which is crucial for the engine to function properly. It is typically located near the crankshaft at the front or rear of the engine. It can be mounted on the engine block, timing cover, or bell housing. The sensor detects the position of the crankshaft as it rotates. This information is then sent to the engine control unit, ECU, or powertrain control module, PCM. The sensor generates a signal based on the position of teeth on a reluctor wheel attached to the crankshaft. As the crankshaft rotates, the teeth pass by the sensor, creating a signal that indicates the crankshaft's position and speed. The ECU or PCM processes the signal from the crankshaft position sensor to determine the exact position of the crankshaft. This information is crucial for ignition timing, fuel injection, and other engine functions. Based on the data received from the crankshaft position sensor, the ECU adjusts the ignition timing and fuel injection to optimize engine performance and efficiency. It also uses this information to detect misfires and prevent engine damage. Symptoms of bad crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor plays a vital role in your engine's operation, so it's important to recognize the signs of a failing sensor. Here are some common symptoms to watch out for. 1. Engine misfires. If your engine starts misfiring or running rough, it could be due to a faulty crankshaft position sensor. This sensor provides critical timing information to the engine control unit, ECU, and any inconsistencies can lead to misfires. 2. Stalling or sudden shutdowns. A failing crankshaft position sensor may cause your engine to stall unexpectedly or shut down while driving. This can be a dangerous situation, especially at high speeds or in heavy traffic. 3. Difficulty starting. If you're experiencing difficulty starting your vehicle, it could be a result of a faulty sensor. The sensor helps the ECU determine the precise position of the crankshaft, which is crucial for ignition timing. 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. A malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor can disrupt the fuel injection process, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. 5. Check engine light, CL, illumination. In many cases, a failing sensor triggers the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. It's crucial to retrieve the diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner for further analysis. 6. Decreased engine performance. A bad crankshaft position sensor can lead to a decrease in engine power and overall performance. You might notice a loss of acceleration, reduced throttle response, or difficulty maintaining consistent speed. Causes of a bad crankshaft position sensor. 1. Contamination. The sensor can become contaminated with oil, dirt, or debris, affecting its performance. This can happen due to oil leaks or improper maintenance. Regularly checking and cleaning the sensor can help prevent contamination issues. 2. Sensor alignment. Sometimes, the sensor may become misaligned or lose its proper positioning. This can occur due to engine vibrations or improper installation. Ensuring the sensor is correctly aligned is crucial for accurate readings. 3. Age and mileage. Like any other component, the crankshaft position sensor can deteriorate over time, especially in vehicles with high mileage. As the sensor ages, its internal components may wear out, leading to performance issues. 4. Electrical issues. Loose or damaged electrical connections, wiring harness problems, or a faulty sensor ground can disrupt the sensor's operation. Remedies for a bad crankshaft position sensor. Now that we understand the symptoms and causes, let's discuss some remedies for a bad crankshaft position sensor. 1. Diagnostic scan. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms mentioned earlier, it's essential to perform a diagnostic scan using an OBD2 scanner. This will help identify any trouble codes related to the sensor and provide valuable information for troubleshooting. 2. Sensor replacement. If the diagnostic scan confirms a faulty crankshaft position sensor, the most effective solution is to replace it. Consult your vehicle's service manual or seek professional assistance to ensure proper installation. 3. Wiring inspection. Check the wiring harness and connectors associated with the sensor. Look for any signs of damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Repair or replace any faulty wiring to ensure a reliable connection. 4. Sensor cleaning. If the sensor is contaminated but still functioning properly, you can try cleaning it. Use a sensor-safe cleaner and a soft brush to remove any oil, dirt, or debris. Be gentle to avoid damaging the sensor. 5. Regular maintenance. To prevent future issues, it's crucial to follow your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule. This includes regular inspections, oil changes, and keeping the engine clean to minimize the risk of contamination. Bonus tips. Regularly service your car according to the maintenance schedule, including checks for the crankshaft position sensor and its connections. Avoid modifications that might affect the crankshaft or sensor placement. Use high-quality replacement parts when necessary to ensure proper performance and sensor compatibility. When in doubt, always consult a qualified mechanic for serious engine issues. Remember, ignoring a bad crankshaft position sensor can lead to further engine damage, poor performance, and even starting problems. But by understanding the symptoms, doing some basic checks, and knowing when to call in the pros, you can get your engine's rhythm back on track and your car singing a happy tune again. So don't let a faulty sensor silence your driving adventures. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the symptoms, causes, and remedies for a bad crankshaft position sensor. Remember, if you suspect any issues with your sensor, it's important to address them promptly to avoid further engine complications. As always, consult a professional mechanic if you're unsure or need assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and insights. If you have any questions or experiences to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.